My Landroveritis seems to have reached stage 2 now. I'm buying beer with Land Rovers on it. Rover Restoration looks like it's going to be more than a 12 beer job, but it's nearly Christmas, so I thought I'd treat myself. Buy a really nice beer. Moa makes some of the nicest beers in the country, and this one's got a Land Rover on it. I've removed the seat box and part of the firewall inside here, and that's given me access to the bolts along the back here that secure the tray. I've still got to take the fuel tank out because there are 2 bolts tucked in behind there that I can't get to yet. But here's the passenger compartment with no floor in it. It comes away in 3 sections. It's very easy to remove. There are some details in here that I've been trying to make up my mind about. For example, what colour was this when it was brand new? This is the first time that I've seen this desert sand kind of colour on an earlier Land Rover. On this door, I find that we've got the I think it's called sea green or sea blue. So, but this may have been a replaced door that was painted to match. And yet, I look down here and I see pieces of missing paint that show the same colour underneath. Although, looking in great detail here, it looks as though it's always been this colour. I do know that somebody's reskinned the rear door and that the door was originally off another vehicle because it's been both blue and green in the past. On the inside it's still the original green, so that's obviously off another vehicle. It had a hood lining and somebody's pulled it out, leaving just the glue residue and a little bit of foam. Luckily I've got contacts and I can buy that perforated, slightly ventilated vinyl for hood linings, so that will be going in. For the average bloke with work commitments and family, a restoration like this could quite easily drag on for a long time. But this is going to be another one of my restorations in a month. I don't know why I do it to myself, but I had this bright idea that because this thing is like a giant Meccano set, I should be able to pull it apart, have a look at everything, clean it, and then put it all back together within a month.